is my homework 2, wherein I'm deploying a MapReduce job for various functionality on AWS EMR and S3 bucket. In this demo, I will demonstrate how to deploy your map, how to run your MapReduce job by deploying it on AWS EMR, S3 bucket, and S3 bucket. For this demo, I am going to compute the list of publications for each venue with the highest number of authors. So now I've already logged in into my AWS Educate account. So I'll go and then find services. For find services, I'll say select S3. And now when I go into S3, I already have my bucket here. But if you want to create a bucket, you can just go and click on to create bucket and select all the default values. And do remember that bucket name should always be in lowercase and it should be unique. And everything else I kept as default. So I go here and I've already included my input into the input folder. So now what I will do is I'll upload my jar file, which is compiled just now. You can see the time it's compiled just now. So I'm just uploading my jar file from here. Oops, sorry. From here to the management console. Wait. I just forgot it. I need to upload it here. Yeah. We're good to go. Yeah. Need to click on next. We'll persist with the default values. We'll upload it and we'll just wait till it gets uploaded. It might take like 2 to 3 minutes to upload this file. It is around 50 MB. Let's just see what sort of public permissions do you have, what sort of access controls, what sort of object ownership you have, the bucket policies. You can just also explore the properties and learn about it. These things are very insightful. So while the jar file executes, I'll discuss you something about my code. So basically what I'm doing here is, this is my mapper with one author mapper. What I'm doing here is I'm just retrieving the author list, the editor list, and then just checking for if the author list is equal to 1 or the editor list is equal to 1. I'm extracting the title, which is apparently the publication, and just extracting the venues, which is journal, book title, publisher, and then just omitting the publisher, the venue.head, the venue, and then the respective publication to the reducer. And in reducer, what I'm doing is I'm just combining the key, which is the publication, with the value. The key is the venue and the value is the publication. So I'm just combining it and I'm just writing the key and the value, and I've built the file already. Let's just see if our file is being uploaded. Yeah, it's uploaded. Just refresh it and see. Yeah, it's uploaded. Now here I'll just add another folder, logs, just to keep my logs. And then now I'll go on to EMR instance. I will select services. I will go to EMR instance. I'll open a new tab. So I've already done few jobs, but I will do it again. So I'll say it has map reduce sample job. I'll go to advanced option. I'll just select what all I need. I only need Hadoop for this implementation, so I'm just selecting that. I'll select cluster auto terminate. I'm selecting custom jar. I'm just adding the path to my jar. Path to my jar. Yes, I'm just passing in the arguments for the input and the output. This is the input. This is the output. I'm just using terminate cluster because you don't have to manually terminate the cluster. Then all good. I'm clicking on next. I'm going with the default settings. Here for locking, I'm just selecting my log folder which I've created. I'll click on next, and now I'll create the cluster. Now we'll go on steps until the cluster starts running. When the cluster starts running, you can see the log files generated over here. Now till then, you can look into options provided here and learn about things. We'll just wait for a few minutes till the execution is over. Shit, okay. So still the status is starting. It will soon turn to running. It takes a bit of time to run. So it's changed to running. Oh, it's failing. So here you can see the cluster is still running. We'll go to syslog and see the progress. So here we can see the map job is complete, the reducer job is complete. Now we're just left with the output to come. Let's just check our S3 instance. Is there any output available? Yes, there's an output available. See here, output venue with one author. So this is the output. Now let's just download it. Open. Let's just open with VS Code. So yeah, this is the output. This is the output. I will explain you the output too. Yeah, see this. This is the venue followed by the author. 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 So this is the output for this particular code. This is how you're getting it. Venue and the author. Venue on the author. Venue and the author. See this. This is the venue, and this is followed by the author, followed by another author, followed by author. So I've just appended the authors. So we are done with our execution. Yes, we are done with the execution. Let's just see the outputs and we are good to go. So yeah, see this is the venue and the publication. The venue and the publications. So this is how I've implemented and deployed my model successfully